Hey guys, how you all doing? So in this video I am going to show you how you can find the second largest element in any array using JavaScript. Okay, and I'm going to tell you like 2 to 3 ways, and depending on that you can see whatever prefers you. Okay, so let's first see the most basic way. What you can do is, the first way is that first you can sort the array and just get the second position. Since this will be sorted, you automatically find the greatest element, and just the second position will be the second greatest. Okay, so let's first sort the array. Okay, and now if you like console log the array, it will be a sorted array, and but you have to reverse it as well. So just do it here. Okay, so now you can see that all the elements are in an ascending order, in a descending order. So you can just like get the second position of an array and print it. So this will be like array of 1, and this is your second greatest element. Okay, now for those of you who don't like to use these JavaScript methods, and by the way, the time complexity of this is O of nlogn, or maybe like O of n square, depending on the algorithm. Okay, so this was the first method, but now I'm going to show you the second method, which uses two for loop, not the nested one. Actually, we are going to first find the largest element, and then we are going to find the second largest element. Okay, so first let me like show you this. Let me get the length first. Okay, so let me declare the variables first. The highest, and let's second highest, and I'm going to both declare the value of both these highest and highest is to the lowest element, lowest value, which can be minus infinity. Yeah, we can use minus infinity for that. So for now both are minus infinity. Okay, and what we're going to do is we are going to use math.max JavaScript method for like finding the maximum. So what you can do is highest is equal to math.max of highest and array of I. So if you now print the highest, it will give you the 6. Okay, and now we have to check in array the second highest. So what we will do is check for, like, let me just copy paste the same thing. Okay, and here we just going to do check if array of I is smaller than highest, then we are going to define the second highest. So what we have done is that, let me just first print the second highest. Okay, so as you can see, we got the highest is 6 and the second highest is 4. Okay, so let me explain you what we have done. First, we have iterated the whole array. Okay, here we have iterated and we kept the value of highest in highest. So since in the beginning it was minus infinity, which was the smallest you can possibly think. Okay, and we iterated, and if it found anything that was bigger than this infinity, it assigned the value to highest, and it kept going on. So it found the value is 6. Okay, and now after that, in the second loop, we checked if any element is smaller than the biggest element, which is 6. So if any element is less than 6, do the same thing, but here initialize it with second highest. So this was also simple, and since the time complexity of this will be O of n, okay, it will be linear. Okay, since we are just using 2 for loop, whatever the input will be, there will be always just 2 loops. Okay, and now we are going to use one thing. Yeah, now we are going to use in the third way to find the second largest element. We can use we are going to just use one for loop. So let's see how. So okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to check if array of I is greater than highest, second highest is equal to highest, and highest is equal to array of I. So let me first print you this and then explain you what happened. Okay, I is not defined. Okay, sorry. Okay, so what we have basically done is that first, like, we defined the value highest to minus infinity just like before, and then we checked if any value is bigger than this minus infinity, you are going to update this to highest to that array. But before that, we are using a second highest which is also minus infinity, and we are going to push this value into highest. So just like we are using first defining the highest, but before that we are just declaring the second highest to the highest. Okay, I hope you understand all this. Okay, and yeah, the time complexity of this will also be O of n. Okay, so yeah, this was it. If you like the video, press the like button. Okay, thank you.